Welcome back to my channel, guys. I always say welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, ladies. Welcome back to my channel, guys and girls. I don't know, I figured that out just now. I feel like I need an intro, you know, like welcome back to my channel, everyone. I don't know, I'll just figure that out sometime. Today's video, which is this video right here, is going to be this hijab look. Well, I got a request from one of my followers to do a tutorial on a hijab that I wore in a video that I posted, I don't know, way back when, last year. I think I had on this hijab, so I'm going to try to recreate that hijab. I got this hijab from Foil Chic. That is a Canadian based hijab website. I can usually buy most of my hijabs from Foil Chic. I really like the material of their chiffon hijab, so I'll put their website below. If you guys never heard of Foil Chic, make sure and check them out. Real good hijab. If you see this hijab look, click that like button right now. Like this video. Right to start off, I have pinned my hijab at the center using a pin, a safety pin, a straight pin, whatever. And this hijab is from Foil Chic. So one side is shorter and one side is much longer. So I'm going to take that long side, pin it right here with a safety pin. And then also at the top of my hijab with another safety pin. Take this excess piece right here and you just want to tie it in a knot. And that is how I recreated that look. I'll put the picture right here so you guys can see what picture I'm talking about. And that is this hijab look right here. Very easy, very simple. I don't know, it's very quick, easy to make. Thanks so much for watching my video, guys. This is the end of my tutorial. Hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video, and as much as I enjoyed filming it. I know it's a really short video, but I don't know, to pin a hijab really only takes about 2 minutes. So if you guys want to see more hijab tutorials from me, just let me know. I try to mix it up a little bit, you know, hijab tutorials, skincare, makeup tutorial. I don't know, I just kind of like to do everything. Haven't posted a hijab tutorial in a while, so I thought that I'll bless you guys with one today. Yay! Okay, stop being weird. Alright, the end of this video. No, it's a really short video, so if you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in my next video. Bye.